Hello. So this video is about the Blinkit haul and all the stuff that I got from Blinkit this time. And I think there were actually a few packages that I got and a few mail lines that I would want to showcase, and let's review them. So let's start. So let's start the video with the first one, and the first package we have got. Well. So we have got the 84 Audi Sports Quattro and the Ford S200. So these are both the collectibles item from the Q case, as this is also the STH and this is the TH that I've got. So this is the TH. Well, they all have a TH, so basically everyone can get it. And this is the dud from the Q case. I'm still hoping that I might find the most awaited Q case STH, but let's see if I can. I do have this STH from 2024, the Mazda 787B, as you can see. Well, let's see what all can we get. And in the second packet we have got the Lamborghini Centenario. Well, everyone was looking for this in the newer cases. And the other one, the Mercedes-Benz 560 in the blue color. Well, I have the other colors in this too, but the blue color I think is the most. People just love this blue color. And also the Audi. Well, I'm going to review all of this once I show all these unboxes. And last one, well, they came out of the packet, so these are basically the last three. The AK's Dodge Charger, Buick Regal from the AK's. This is also the TH, and the Bentley, the most awaited Bentley. So let's discuss these. So starting here with the Bentley, the colors look fine, and this is a recolor. So this first came last year in the black and golden color. So this recolor is also fine, the golden and black now, as the golden color is dominant here in this one. But this looks pretty good, and I think I'll just do the unboxing of this very soon. And if you can just focus here, well, you can see the colors are just shining a lot. And I think I would just put it in this display here. This is the Bentley, and let's go to the Centenario. I think people are going to go crazy over this. The detailings are very sublime. The color is very good. The detailings on the car is actually very good. The car might not have that much detailing in the diecast, but I think it's still quite fine. And I'll open this soon. The Dodge Charger, well, this has the metal base. I think among all these, only this one has the metal base, and the rest of it is pretty good. Dodge Charger, the color on the wheels match the overall golden color, so they both have the golden color, but the Dodge Charger looks a bit better to me. Now moving on to the S200, the dud one, the Gulf livery. It's also pretty good. It looks a bit tinier than the other cars, but I think that's because of the racing. And there's not much to discuss about this. The detailings are not quite a lot there to see, and I think it's a bit of a shame that the detailings are not that good. But the rest of the livery is pretty nice, and I think this is my first car in the Gulf livery, so I think it's always going to be a good one. And the blue and the white, or you can say the creamish color inside the creamish color interior, this is a very good setup. And if you can just focus on this one, I think this is a pretty nice shot. The color looks very good, and I'll unbox it soon so you can see. The colors look very good from the bottom. These are all plastic bases, none of the metal bases apart from the Dodge Charger. And so this is the Mercedes. People were waiting for it. Now discuss the two TH that I've got. So these are two THs, and you can say both are sort of vintage cars, the 87 Buick Regal and the 84 Audi, and they both look good. Let's talk about the Audi first. The detailings are very good, like it has come in several similar colors. I have the same grayish one, I have the black, I have the red one with similar tones, but I think this time the grayish paint is a bit more ecstatic. It looks better in this one. Also, you can see the TH logo here if we could go a bit closer. And also you have the Hot Wheels logo on most of these, I think on 3 of these at least. And the Buick Regal, the interiors match the color. It's a bit pinkish. 87 Buick Regal, it's hard to find the TH logo on this one because it is, I guess, on the other side, but just look around it. It looks pretty good. I think out of all these, Bentley and the Dodge Charger are going to be my favorite ones, as they both have very nice detailings around it. And also, who is going to deny a very good yellow, shining yellow Lamborghini Centenario? Like, you can't deny the presence. No matter what, no matter how many good castings you have, but you'll always want to have this on your kitty. So I think this is the video, guys, and hope you like it.